Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Bobtot 5.1 surround sound speakers home theater system for TV, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because 1000 watt peak power home speaker system offers 2 channels, 5.1 and 2.1 channel. This is a good starter surround sound for a true home cinema setup. Just plug in my devices and start testing different songs, movies, and video games. This unit can produce the crisp sounds and deep bass. It really feels like you're at the movies. The surround sound helps video games feel atmospheric. Bluetooth for the sub is very easy to connect. No cutting out or lag. Surround sound with rich bass, feel like you're in the action with intense, room-shaking low frequencies. With an 8-inch subwoofer featuring a built-in receiver, it provides stereo sound with a well-balanced mid-range, crisp treble, and punchy bass. Bass notes are deep and rich, and explosions rattle the room, placing you directly in the action. The bass is decent and it is loud enough for a small to medium-sized room. The home theater sound system supports various devices such as TVs, phones, game console, DVDs, computers, laptops, and projectors and other devices. These surround sound speakers are compatible with a wide range of smart devices, and support multiple input modes including TV ARC, OPT, COA, AUX, USB, Bluetooth, and DVD. To ensure seamless integration, we provide additional cables such as HDMI, optical, coaxial, AUX, RCA, and antenna cables, catering to various applications and fulfilling your connectivity needs. It also supports USB and SD card inputs. Easy to hook up. Easy to use. The surround sound system for TV with subwoofer have 6 modes of multicolored flashing lights, enhancing your entertainment experience. It has 2 mic inputs for karaoke, you can sing songs with them. Perfect for parties with friends at home. Elevate movies, music, and more with booming, theater-quality sound. Take full control of your audio experience. In addition to front panel buttons, our system includes a comprehensive remote control. The package includes a subwoofer speaker, 5 wired satellite speakers, a remote, the batteries are excluded, HDMI cable, optical cable, COA, 3.5 mm to RCA cable, 3 RCA to RCA jack cables, and an instruction manual. Setup is easy enough. If you have any questions about the product, please reach out to Bobtot, as we provide friendly and prompt tech support. Home theater systems surround sound speakers, 1000 watt home stereo system for TV. Ensure that your subwoofer is placed correctly for optimal performance. Experiment with different positions in the room to find the best spot where the bass response is enhanced. If you have a large living room, the rear speaker wires included may come up a little short of being perfectly placed. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.